Hi, it's Rob. I just want to do a quick video just to help all of you guys who have bought the Sullivan replacement starter shaft that I've made. And it's really just about how to change this bush that's in the end. These new ones are made of phosphor bronze, which are really hard, and it also eliminates basically all the wobble in the end. They're reamed to size. But so I've had some messages from people asking how do they move the original one. So this is what I'm going to recommend to do it. If you take your original or the body of it, stuff a bit of tissue, a bit of paper, a bit of rag in there to protect that bearing so you don't get any dirt in there. You can then just screw the cap onto the end of the starter. And I'm using, this is a 4mm drill. You could then just drill into here at an angle. And just, you don't want to be going all the way through to come here into your brass, but you want to drill into the brass deep enough that you create a ledge, and then turn it 180 degrees and drill in from the other side again. And you can see the kind of angle I'm drilling at. So you can just drill into there and get yourself, so it's got a dent both sides. Because then what you're going to be able to do is take this cap out, and then just using like a small bench vise, and you could put some masking tape or something on here if you wanted, just to protect the anodizing finish. But I've done these without doing that, and it's not damaged this at all. But you can then just sit that on those shoulders, and then using like a hex driver, you can now come into the surface. So where you've done those dents, you've got somewhere for the Allen driver to actually bite against. So it's just going to sit in there. You can now get a hammer and obviously tap on there, come to the other side, tap on there, and it'll come out. You shouldn't need to use any heat. You might need a bit of hot air gun or something, but I haven't needed to. On the 3 that I've done, they've all come out. The other option you've got is to drill it out. This is a 10mm drill. You could go, it's very soft brass, the original one. You could drill that out, but what we don't want to do is to cut into this aluminium and cause any damage there, because these are designed to be a press fit into here. You don't need any Loctite or anything to hold them in. So my preferred method would be just to drill a little notch into both sides, sit it down into here, and then tap it out. And then once you've got it out and you've discarded the old brass one, you could then hold the new one in place, the new phosphor bronze bush in place just over the hole. Either if you've got an arbor press at home, you can press it down into place, or you can just line it up in the vise like so, and literally just squeeze it into position, and it will just press in. It's a nice firm press. And then once you've got it home, that's it, we're all done. And then just put a little bit of light oil, sort of 3-in-1 or Triflow or something, because the phosphor bronze does need a little bit of oil with it, and then that's gonna work absolutely perfectly for you. Anyway, any problems, contact me. I'm sure you won't, and enjoy using your new starter shaft.